It's convenient to color each part separately so that you will be able to easily change selections and use them as clippings later. If there is an area enclosed by a line, then you can fill it in with the bucket tool. First, we will add a layer for an undercoat. Let's open the layer window. Now let's tap the plus button to add a new layer for an undercoat. Next, let's tap the added layer to turn it to the current layer. The undercoat layer should be beneath the line drawing layer. So let's drag down the 3 lines to rearrange the layers. And as you can see, now the undercoat layer is beneath the drawing layer. Now let's tap bucket button on the tool selection window. And next, let's tap the circle button to open the bucket settings window. In the bucket settings window, the first one is the reset button. The second one is the opacity. The third one is the strength percentage. The fourth one is the layer row. When the canvas layer is selected, a picture using all the layers combined is read and the current layer is filled in. In this case, we are using the sketch as our reference point and want to fill in the current layer. Therefore, we want to select specific layer, tap Layer Row, and then select the line drawing layer. Now let's select the color from the color window. Here we can use the hue tone and saturation tone and drag them to select a color. Now let's fill in the skirt color. Tapping the inside of line drawing will fill in the entire area. If there are leaks or the entire layer is filled in, then you can press the undo button. Clipping can be used when you want to add some shadow, highlights, or a material pattern without it protruding from the undercoat layer. For that, let's tap the layer button to open the layer window. And then let's select the skin's undercoat layer. And next, we want to add a layer above the undercoat layer. Now let's select the new layer to make it a current layer and then tap the clipping button. When clipping is turned on, the layer will move slightly to the right. Now if you select the color and draw a line from the top of the undercoat layer, if clipping is on, it will not extend beyond the undercoat. You can use this to put shadows on your skin or your clothes or other parts of your character. Now let's use clipping and airbrush to try and do a gradient fill on a skin. Let's open layers, then let's select the clip layer as current layer. And next, let's tap the brush settings button to open brush window. And we want to select airbrush normal version. And next, we set the thickness of the brush. Next, let's tap the color button to open the color window. we can use color wheel to create a slightly darker skin tone. Now, if we paint around the border of the undercoat part of the skin with an airbrush, it will create a shading effect. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed and understood it. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next part of this tutorial.